In the quest for natural remedies to tackle acidity, there's one humble hero that often gets overlooked: the ash gourd. Acidity, with its burning sensation and discomfort, can make life miserable. But what if I told you that a simple solution could be growing right in your garden? Ladies and gentlemen, meet the ash gourd, also known as winter melon or white pumpkin. It's a fruit that is commonly consumed in Asian countries, and is known for its potential therapeutic properties. It's not your typical superhero, but it might just have the power to rescue you from acidity. Here's how ash gourd juice may be beneficial for acidity. Number 1. The alkaline alleviation. When you're battling acidity, your stomach is producing excess acid, causing that unpleasant burning sensation. But here's where the ash gourd steps in. Its alkaline nature acts like a soothing balm, neutralizing that excess acid and giving you relief. Number 2. The cooling comfort. Acidity often inflames the sensitive lining of your stomach and esophagus. That's when the ash gourd's cooling effect comes to your rescue. This cooling property helps soothe the inflamed mucous membranes in the stomach and esophagus, reducing irritation and discomfort caused by acid reflux. It's like a refreshing waterfall, calming down that fiery irritation and helping you feel more comfortable. Number 3. The hydration helper. But the ash gourd doesn't stop there. It's not just a firefighter, it's also your hydration hero. Acidity can lead to dehydration, making your digestive troubles worse. Ash gourd juice is hydrating, ensuring your body stays well nourished and balanced. Here's how you can prepare ash gourd juice for acidity. Ingredients: 1 small ash gourd, about 500 grams. Water. Instructions: 1. Wash the ash gourd thoroughly to remove any dirt or contaminants. 2. Peel the ash gourd and remove the seeds. 3. Cut the ash gourd into small cubes. 4. Place the ash gourd cubes in a blender. 5. Add a small amount of water to facilitate blending. 6. Blend until you get a smooth and watery consistency. 7. Strain the juice to remove any remaining solids. 8. Your ash gourd juice is ready to be consumed. Tips and cautions. A word of caution: while ash gourd juice can be a helpful ally against acidity, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Start with a small amount of juice. Consider adding a pinch of salt or a touch of honey for taste. But go easy on the sugar. Avoid adding excessive sugar, as it may worsen acidity. Consume it on an empty stomach in the morning for the best results. Start with a small amount of ash gourd juice and observe how your body reacts to it. If it suits you, you can gradually increase the quantity. In conclusion, the ash gourd, with its alkaline nature, cooling effect, and hydration benefits, could be your secret weapon against acidity. But remember, individual responses vary. If you have chronic or severe acidity, consult a healthcare professional for a personalized plan. So, the next time acidity strikes, you might not need to look any further than your kitchen garden. Your ash gourd awaits. Like the video. Thumbs up please.